Good morning, student. Yesterday we have discussed the question answer of chapter 2, that is 5 to 7. Now today we are discuss about the later on two more question, that is question number 8 and 9. Question number 8. Write a short paragraph on the harmful effects of microorganism. It means you have to write ki what disease are caused by animals and plants in microorganism are cause diseases in plants and animals. Answer, just see what is answer number 8. Microorganisms are harmful in many ways. Some of the microorganisms cause disease in human beings, plants and animals. Pathogens enter our body through the air we breathe, the water we drink or the food we eat. They can also get transmitted by direct contact with an infected person or are carried by an animal. There are some insects and animals which act as carriers of disease causing microbes. Several microorganisms not only cause disease in human and plants but also in other animals. For example, anthrax is a dangerous human and cattle disease caused by bacterium. Foot and mouth disease of cattle is caused by virus. Several microorganisms causes disease in plants like wheat, rice, potato, sugarcane, orange, apple and others. The disease reduces yield of the crop. Now you should draw table 2.1, that is some human disease caused by microorganism, just in this way. You can see the table, separate table which is drawn, already drawn in your book also, and table number 2.1 and table number 2.2, some common plant disease caused by microorganism in this way as it is seen in the video, and it should be drawn on the in front of answer number 8 where it is written. It may be of 2 pages also. It may be drawn in 2 pages also, no problem there. Okay. Now we move on to the question number 9. What are antibiotics? What precaution must be taken while taking antibiotics? Children, you know what are antibiotics? The medicine which kill or stop the growth of the disease causing microorganism. Such medicines are called antibiotics. And next question, what precaution must be taken while taking antibiotics? It is important to remember that antibiotics should be taken only the advice of qualified doctor. Also, we must complete the course prescribed by the doctor. If we take antibiotics when not needed or in wrong doses, it may make the drug less effective when we might need it in future. Also, antibiotics taken unnecessarily may kill beneficial bacteria in the body. Okay, thank you.